In this session, I am going to explain about the basics of thermopower. In this session, I am going to explain about the few topics which is related with the thermopower. First, it is introduction. What is basics of thermopower, cause of Seebeck effect, and application of Seebeck effect. Let me start with the first. What is a thermopower? Thermoelectric power of any material is defined as the voltage developed between 2 points when unit temperature difference is maintained between these 2 points. Thermoelectric power generated is based on the Seebeck principle. In 1821, Thomas Seebeck found that an electric current would flow continuously in a closed circuit made up of two dissimilar metals if the junction of the metals were maintained at two different temperatures. For the conversion of heat into electricity, a thermoelectric module is needed. This module consists of N-type and P-type semiconductors, which are connected thermally in parallel and electrically in series. The high carrier concentration of P-type and N-type semiconductors can be achieved by doping of holes as well as electrons. The electrical connection between these semiconductors allows for the transfer of electrons from one semiconductor to the other, which enables the flow of current. Materials with high Seebeck coefficient, high electrical conductivity, and low thermal conductivity are desirable. Semiconductors are best choice for high Seebeck coefficient. Also, we can say that thermopower is a measure of the voltage induced in a material by the thermoelectric effect. Thermoelectric power is the most quantity. Thermoelectric power is the most sensitive quantity of any change or distortion of any Fermi surface in the material. Measurement of thermopower would be a useful technique for investigating the electronic conduction process in such a sample. A temperature gradient between 2 points is accompanied by an electric current. The existence of such electric field here, known as thermoelectric field, is conventionally written as E equal to S into delta T. The proportionality constant S is known as thermopower, and here thermopower depends on the temperature of some extent and also varies with material. The SI unit of the Seebeck coefficient is volts per Kelvin, although it is more often given in microvolts per Kelvin. If we look at the cause of the Seebeck effect, as we know that number of free electrons per unit volume and their average velocity varies from one metal to another metal. At the junction of two dissimilar metals, electrons migrate in one direction across the junction. As a result, it sets up an opposite electric field. This effect is known as Seebeck effect. Electrically conductive materials exhibit types of thermoelectric phenomenon, that is the Seebeck effect. When a temperature bias is applied across a sample, the electrons from the hot end of the sample diffuse into available energy states at the cooler end, setting up a potential difference. The symmetry of the thermal platform greatly minimizes or eliminates an additional thermovoltage contribution from the leads that bridge the temperature gradient. This was because of the metals responded differently to the temperature difference, creating a current loop and a magnetic field. The Seebeck coefficient is also known as thermopower. One way to define the Seebeck coefficient is the voltage built up when a small potential gradient is applied to the material, or we can say a small temperature gradient is applied to a material, and when the material has come to a steady state where the current density is also everywhere. If the temperature difference, say delta T, between the two ends of a material is small, then the Seebeck coefficient of a material is defined as S equal to minus delta V upon delta T, where delta V is the thermoelectric voltage seen at the terminals. If we look at the applications of the Seebeck effect, this Seebeck effect is commonly used in thermocouples to measure the temperature differences or to accurate the electronic switches that can turn the system on or off. The Seebeck effect is also used in a thermoelectric generator which functions as a heat engine. This is also used in some power plants in order to convert waste heat into the additional power. In automobiles, as automotive thermoelectric generators for increasing the fuel efficiency. Thank you very much.